Alright, so you want to get paid for taking photos from your phone? Well, I'm going to share with you today a simple site that will pay you $6 or more per upload for the photos that you're taking on your phone every single day. So stay with me throughout this video so I can share with you how you can get started using this site today. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money online uploading photos from your smartphone. Now I'm going to share with you a method of how you can earn $6 to $75 a photo online using this simple technique. So stay with me throughout this video so you can get the full picture. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about making money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing. I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and give me a comment down below with suggestions of what you would like to see in the future videos. Now if you are interested in a more passive income, one that will pay you over and over and over, then check out the link down below, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, and I'll send you some information. Alright, let's get on with today's video. It is all about a site called Snapwire. Now Snapwire is a site where you can upload your photos and sell them. So what happens is there are companies that come in here and they're requesting what they're looking for. So they'll either do a contest or they'll assign different tasks what they're actually looking for. So people will be looking for pictures of food or travel in certain countries, etc., or hikes or whatever it is. People are looking for tons of things, and this is a way to actually take the pictures that you may have already on your phone or up on Instagram and actually use them to win these challenges, etc. So the community for this is 623,000 creators. All right, so there's people doing this all the time. It's very simple. And how to become a creator is you just come up here and you see creators here. You click on that creators button here, and you come over here and you click on become a creator. All right, so let's just go browse this page here real quick so I can give you an idea of what type of photos people are actually taking and getting paid for. So this looks like a pro here, Brian and Angle, and when you click on their pictures, this is one of the pictures that they're selling. Okay, it's just a picture of matcha love, cashew milk, and it's $35. So you can see right now that is a simple picture and it's selling for $35. Okay, now there's tons of pictures here. Look, here's pictures of some carrots in the water. They're going, and I guess this one's not for sale. So you just have to click on these and check them out. Some of them are for sale, some of them aren't, but you can get a picture of what these pictures are. Look at this picture. It's a beautiful picture of a road. $100. All right, so guys, there's pictures all over the place in here, and they're going for decent money. Okay, $100 for this plate of French toast. All right, it's a good picture, but we could take a picture like that in a restaurant easy and sell it for $100. But you can get an idea of what people are actually selling on here. You can go to the leaderboards and actually see what people are actually selling. Look, she's getting pictures of people flying drones. He's doing pictures of eggs, right? So you get ideas of what they're asking for. So somebody might have been asking for ice cream cone pictures, and this is what she got. Okay, so you can come over here and actually look at recently purchased photos. So look at this house. It's a yellow house, $75. All right, woman standing in front of a door, it's $25. Somebody holding a sparkler, $75. Just a walk down to the beach, $500 for this. That's just a picture of the steps at La Jolla in California. I mean, it's a pretty simple picture. Shit, I might have some of those on my phone. All right, so you can see, I mean, this picture is a great picture. And this is probably taken by somebody that's really, really, professional. $500. All right, so you can start seeing it's pretty cool stuff here that people are actually selling. I mean, look at this picture. It's just a picture of a door with a motorcycle here. I mean, there's nothing fancy about this, but $35. All right, so you get an idea, right, real quick, how you can make money. So let's see how we can get signed up for doing this. So you want to become over here. You want to become a creator. All right, you make custom visuals and earn money doing what you love. Okay, so I shoot beautiful visuals. All right, I want beautiful visuals or whatever. 2 ways to earn and succeed: requests and challenges. Brands and businesses post requests, and proven creators submit shots that match. Brands get the custom visuals they need, and you earn money doing what you love. Or you can just put up your portfolio in the marketplace and sell your shots in your portfolio to the network. So there's 2 ways to make money. Okay, so I would recommend you have a portfolio and you do requests and challenges. That way you can have an ability to earn both methods. Okay, so right here, fairness and respect come first. Microstock sites often pay less than 20% on the sales to the creators. Photo sharing sites take advantage by keeping your copyright for themselves, and this site can do better. All right, so you can keep on requests and challenges 100%. You can keep 50% of your sales from the marketplace. So when you actually sell something on a request or challenge, you have 100% commissions, and when you sell in the marketplace, you're paying 50%. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. So get out there, download the app, start taking pictures, and start submitting. Okay, I mean, you can't beat that. If you're taking pictures and you like taking pictures, why not join a site where you can actually maybe make a couple extra bucks on the side, taking pictures that you like and selling them. Okay, so guys, that was Snapwire, and it's snapwi.re. I'll put a link down in the description. Go ahead and check them out. Guys, I don't use this method myself because I'm not a great photographer, but if I was, I would definitely be using this group. Okay, so this does have some sort of I think a membership fee too, where you can, if you have a subscription, you get so many, I think you can get more commissions by certain subscriptions you have, or something weird like that. I didn't pay too much attention to the subscription. My shot was sold in Snapwire. What does that mean? Snapwire's buyers must subscribe in order to download pictures. Okay, so the buyers actually pay for the subscription, not the creators. My bad. All right, but you get paid via PayPal, and looks like you get paid as long as you have 25% or more. You can actually get your money out and go right to PayPal, and from PayPal you can take it straight to your bank account. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed today's video and you get out there and make some money taking pictures or selling pictures you already got on your phone. All right, again, guys, peace out. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, that's Snapwire, snapwi.re. Go check them out, download the app, start selling some photos. Peace.